Hey traders, John Howell here. Hope you guys are doing well. Now, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through gold and silver, a bit of a market update, and then also I'm going to be walking you through the. I was in 4 trades just recently, and I got out of them. Out of the 4 trades, 1 was a loss, 3 was a profit. And what I want to do is actually want to walk you through the biggest profit one that was almost a 200% profit in one day. I'm going to share that with you as well too. So let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you see in this video. Trading can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making a profit in the markets, and this video is just to educate you and not to give you financial advice. Grab your free trading course right now, 100% free 12-hour X Factor trading course. You're going to learn things like top 13 deadly mistakes, 10K per month plan, amazing charting boundaries techniques, #1 chart reading technique, powerful reversal techniques, ultimate trading system, blast off trading system, #1 trading indicator, millionaire trader mindset, so much more. 12-hour trading course. Click the link in the description right now to get free membership access right now. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into the market today, and I want to share with you. A lot of people have been saying, John, why don't you share some of your trades with us and stuff like that. So I'll share just a couple of trades that I actually, you know what, I'll share all the trades that I took this week so far anyway, that I've gotten in and gotten out. I'm not going to talk about the trades that I'm in right now because that'll class as financial advice, but I can't say that. But I will tell you the market. I'll tell you the trades that I've got in and out already, and I'll just share the results with you. So first thing I want to share with you is gold. Look what's happening with gold recently, right? A little pullback and a little rally back up. So what's happening right now? What is this? What's happening here, right? Little what? Little resistance level here right now. A little bit double top. We did have a big run up here. So to me, this has done a lot of price in a short period of time. Time needs to catch up. So that tells me we may even get a bit of a sideways movement here for a little while before we continue up, because price and time need to be equal on the actual markets itself. Time and price. So you had, what did you have here? You had basically 21 days of up movement, and now we've only had basically 9 days of side movement. So we really need like another week or so of resting phase before we can generate enough fuel to move on up from there. And also let's go back to silver. Right, and what's happening with silver right now is actually really nice. Actually, I say actually a lot, don't I? It's really, really nice. What's happening with silver right now? We had a nice, decent pullback through here. So nice, decent pullback. And from that, it's actually really good because we actually could see a little move to the high side. Now, just so you guys know, and I've been saying this for a while, I still do have, and I bought probably about 3-4 months ago, back in this section through here, somewhere through, it was in November. So through here, I bought long-term call options on the GLD price, and I'm still long-term right now. So I do see we're likely to start to really generate and gallop up and start to have some nice movement leading into this year. So I still have long-term call options expiring at the start of next year, 2019. So I'm really, really happy with what's happening with those call options right now. We had a bit of a pullback. That was a bit of a losing position. Now it's had a rallying back up. It's leading in the right way. So I see triple-digit gains happening in gold and silver. Let's continue on here now and share with you what's going on with the actual market itself. Now, one thing I wanted to share with you guys is about the markets. I did a video yesterday saying the market had Dow Jones had a little bit of sideways day, and then the S&P, a bit of a down day, and then we also saw the Nasdaq a little bit down day. And I was just simply saying, don't fight this trend. Do not try to short this trend. Do not try to fight this trend. Do not try to short this trend, because it is something that you don't want to do right now, but obviously because the buyer's in control. And anyone that's trying to pick a top right now, don't. Just stick to the probabilities of what's going to happen. And probabilities is the probability is that the Dow Jones is probably going to hit 30. Is probably going to try to break this 25,000 mark, and we're probably gonna by the time this is finished, we're probably going to end up at 30,000 Dow. I know that's pretty crazy. But I believe this bubble is just going to keep going and going and going for a while. So, and then I see, because normally the crash time really in a market is towards the end of the year. So October, November, September, October, November. Around those months, we really start to get to the crash territory or crash times. So that's me just predicting, or that's me just giving my opinion. I have no idea. I'm just going to keep following the charts, but it does look like that we may get to a Dow 30,000. Now, let me get into the trades that I took today, or that I've taken this week, and I want to share some with you. I'm only doing this, guys, because some people have said to me, John, can you share some of your trades with me, or with us, what you actually do? So the actual trade you do. So let me actually just share something with you. So the trades that I've taken this week here is it. So TSLA. So I took Tesla, and I talked about this last week as well too. So I took Tesla on this day right here. So on the close of this day right here, it basically went sideways, not really much happening. So I got out of that today for just a real small loss, basically 2% loss, a 2% loss on that position. You know what I mean? Like, it's not even a 2% loss on the account. It's a 2% loss on that position. So, so I did that there. So I'll give you guys basically. So yeah, so that was a small loss there. Then I also had AAIO. Actually, no, I can't tell that one. I can't say that one because I'm actually still in that one right now. So then I had LNC. This I was just looking at my spreadsheet. So LNC, so I got in on this breakout bar through here. Everything was lined through there. Up one day, up the next day, and then I got out of this one right here for a 50% profit. And then my 200% profit was this one right here. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Now, this has probably got a little bit more upward move to go, but by looking at this, it's probably going to go a little bit higher, but bulls and bears make money and pigs get slaughtered. And so the reason why I say that is because I got in here and I bought a $5 February call option, and the very next day it went from, yeah, so I bought it for 20 cents, and then I sold it for 20 cents? 25 cents. See, anyway, so yeah, so basically, I'm just looking at my numbers here, but basically it was close to a 200% or right about the 200% return. So because it was a 200% return on this trade here, I got out, and this was the trade here, right? Everything's set up nicely. It's a really simple trading system, guys. You don't have to be complicated. Sideways, small little bar, small volume, good breakaway bar, good volume. It really is that simple. Like, I don't have a complicated system. I really don't. And that was a trade there. So I just wanted to share them with you. Again, 200% return. If you had $5,000 on that, that's a $10,000 profit, and so on and so forth. Like, I'm not going to get into the actual numbers of the trade, because who cares about that? I'm just sharing with you the trades that I've taken. So there are the trades. So Tesla was a small loss for me. LNC was a 50% profit. MFIN was a 200% profit. I'm still in one trade right now. I can't say what that trade is right now, because it's basically gonna be giving advice there. I'm only gonna tell you the trades that I get out of. I'm still gonna tell you the losses like I did with Tesla. So I'm in that trade. Plus, also I got into another trade today as well too. So basically, guys, that's and we'll see how that other trade that I got in this morning or today, and see how that goes tomorrow, leading into the markets. And we'll see what actually happens through there. So anyway, guys, I wanted to give you a bit of an update. I want to give you an update on what's happening in the markets. Dow 30,000 ? Gold and silver update, and then also my trades as well too. And I hope you can see, guys, that I do trade the market every single day. This is what I do. I don't just do updates and coaching and stuff like that. No, my main source of income is actually from trading. 80% of my income comes from trading, and 20% of my income comes from actual coaching. So, I'm going to be completely honest with you. So even if I completely shut down my coaching program 100% and not do any coaching at all and not do any of this stuff, then I would still be fine. I would still do really well. So anyway, guys, make sure you click on that link in the description below. If you want to learn more about my trading strategies and how I trade the markets, then get that free trading course as well. Make sure you grab the free trading course. Also, make sure you check out my brand new book, The Flow of Success. Tap into the 19 powerful universal laws to succeed in every area in your life faster and easier than ever imagined. Make sure you check out the Facebook page. And also, if you need my help personally and urgently, you can book a 1-hour coaching call with me to help you to get on the track with your trading or anything in life that you need. So all the links are in the description. So go check out that right now.